In this video we present our project in which now this robot will classify markers into an ontology which he builds while doing it, and we give feedback based on these two smileys, negative feedback, positive feedback, and now uses this feedback to build the ontology. We say that in this video two classes exist, which are food, which should be stored in the kitchen, and the second class is drink, which should be stored in a bottle. Now we present the marker to now and say that this marker represents apple.
Apple is classified as drink.
Because an apple is not a drink, we give negative feedback. And the probability decreased from 0.5 to 0.4.
Apple is classified as food.
We give positive feedback, and the probability for food increases to 0.6.
Apple is classified as drink.
We give negative
Apple
feedback
is
for drink
classified as food.
and positive feedback for food.
Apple stored in kitchen.
And now the probability for apple to be food is 0.7, as you can see here, and 0.7 is our threshold. So now apple will be classified as food in the ontology, and we show the ontology in Protege, and here you can see that apple is actually classified as food correctly.
Apple is classified as food.
Now we continue
Apple stored in kitchen.
to show the
Apple
marker,
is classified as food.
and
Apple stored in kitchen.
now the probability is
Apple is
0.9,
classified as food.
and now
How
correctly
many
knows
subclasses does
that
food have?
it should be stored in the kitchen. Now, because the probability for food is 1, now asks about subclasses of food and drink, and we say that food has two subclasses. The first one is called fruit, which should be stored in the fruit basket, and the second class is called dairy product, which should be stored in the fridge.
How many subclasses does drink have?
And we say drink has two subclasses, which are called juice, which should be stored in a juice box, and dairy drink, which should be stored in the fridge.
Apple stored in kitchen.
Okay.
Apple is classified as drink.
We give
Apple
negative
stored in
feedback for
kitchen.
drink, and
Apple is
now
classified as dairy product.
apple was classified as dairy product. We give negative feedback,
Apple stored in kitchen.
and now the probability for dairy product decreased from 0.5 to 0.4. The probabilities on the first level of the classes are still 1 and 0.2.
Apple is classified as fruit.
Now we give positive
Apple stored
feedback,
in kitchen.
um,
Apple is classified as dairy product.
and
Apple stored in kitchen.
continue.
Apple is classified as fruit. Apple stored in kitchen.
And
Apple is classified as drink. Apple stored in kitchen. Apple is classified as fruit. Apple stored in kitchen. Apple is classified as dairy product. Apple stored in kitchen. Apple is classified as fruit. Apple stored in fruit basket.
And now the probability for fruit is 0.7, so now the apple is classified as fruit, and now we see in the ontology that apple is classified as a fruit, which is food. Yes, so this was basically our project. We could also show different markers, and
What is this?
and it the whole program works exactly the same. And yes, that was our project.
Classified as traitor.
And yes, I hope you enjoyed the video.